Hi, I'm Jennifer Gutierrez. This is my daughter, my patient for today. I will perform head-to-toe assessment, and this is the 360-degree room scan. Hi, I'm Jennifer Gutierrez, your nurse for today. As doctor's order, I will perform head-to-toe assessment. I will perform hand hygiene, provides client privacy. Can you please state your name and date of birth as I check your ID bands?
Alexa Janine Guzman Gutierrez, February 8, 2015.
So, it's matched to your ID bands. I will perform a neurologic assessment, assess the level of consciousness. Do you know who I am?
You're my nurse.
Do you know where you are today?
I'm at the hospital.
Do you know the day today?
Monday.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yes.
Okay. In Perla, I will assess the pupils' light reactions. In accommodation, please look at the tip of the pen and don't move your head. Okay. Can you please smile? Can you please move your eyebrow ups? And please repeat after me. Trees are green.
Trees are green.
Can you please stand up? We'll assess the prenatal drift. Can you please raise your both arms? Close your eyes and count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, can you please sit down? So, patient is alert, oriented to time, place, and person. In Perla, pupils are equals, round, reactive to light, and accommodative. No slurred speech, no facial dropping, no abnormal prenatal drift. Okay. Next, I will perform respiratory assessment, inspect for posterior chest wall expansion and retractions and working of breathing. So, can you please inhale, exhale? Okay, one more. Okay. Next, I will auscultate the anterior breath sounds. So, start here. Okay, can you please stand up? Sit down. Next, I will auscultate the posterior breath sounds. I can pull scapula. So, let's start here. Okay. So, patient posterior chest wall expansion and retraction symmetrical bilaterally, non-labored of breathing, upon auscultation for anterior and posterior breath sounds, no adventitious breath sounds, no crackles, no wheezes, no stridors are heard. Okay, can you please stand up? Okay. Next, I will perform cardiac assessment. I will auscultate the cardiac landmarks. So we'll start here at the right clavicle. Here is the second intercostal space, right sternal border, the aortic area. Next, here the second intercostal space, left sternal border, the pulmonic area. Here is the third intercostal space, the Erb's point. Next is your fourth intercostal space, the tricuspid area. Then next here, the fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. This is called mitral area, and this is where to assess the apical pulse in 30 seconds. So patient apical pulse is 80 beats per minute. Rhythm is regular. S1 and S2 sounds are clear. No murmur are heard. Can you please stand up? Can you please lay down? When did you last urinate?
2 hours ago.
When did you have a last bowel movement?
2 hours ago.
Okay. So I will perform abdominal assessment. I will inspect for the abdominal contour, symmetry, and the skin. So sit here and inspect at the side. And here in the foot side, I will check for the symmetry. Okay. For the skin, so patient abdomen is flat, not protruding. Skin has no discoloration, no lumps, and no bumps. So next, I will perform the abdominal auscultation. So I'll start here to the right lower quadrant, next to right upper quadrant, next to left upper quadrant, then to left lower quadrant. So upon auscultation, there is an active bowel sounds in the 4 quadrants of the abdomen. So next, I'm going to palpate the abdomen. I'll start here first in the right lower quadrant. Next to right upper quadrant. Do you feel pain?
No.
Okay, next to left upper quadrant. Then last to left lower quadrant. So upon palpation, there is no pain, no mass, and no tenderness is noted in the 4 quadrants of the abdomen. So next, I'm going to perform integumentary and check the extremities. So I will inspect for the upper and lower extremities. So do you feel pain?
No.
So there is no pain, no deformities, no pressure ulcer, no bruises, and no edema is noted. So next, I'm going to check the nail consistency and check for the capillary refill for 3 seconds. So nails are clean, short, no cracks, and capillary refill in good conditions. So next, I'm going to assess the landmarks of the pulses. This is the radial pulse. This is the carotid pulse. Okay. The dorsalis pedis pulse. Next, the posterior tibia pulse. Okay. So all pulses are equal bilateral, rhythm regular, strength 2+. So next, I'm going to check for the muscle strength. Can you please make a fist like this one? Okay, squeeze my hands. Okay. Check for the muscle strength. Put the lower foot. Move your feet up, down. Okay. So patient muscle strength in good conditions. So the score is 5+. Next, I will check for the skin integrity at bony prominence and skin turgor. So do you feel pain?
No.
Okay. Patient skin integrity. There is no edema, no bruises, no pressure ulcer, no deformities, and skin turgor. There is no dehydrations. So next, I will perform hand hygiene, document, and this is the 360-degree room scan. Thank you.